Hi, and welcome to the 10th section of this course, Azure Storage Concepts. In this section, we will take a look at some real-world examples of where we can implement Azure Storage as a cloud storage service for our applications. We will take a look at how we can monitor and diagnose the problems in the service and how we can make sure that our service is performing best. We will take a look at the course and how course can serve your customers better, or whether you should enable the course service at all. Lastly, we will take a look at some of the best practices that you can use to make sure that your application always performs best. Examples of Azure Storage. In this video, we will take a look at some of the best practices or the real-world use case scenarios of the Azure Storage. And we will also take a look at how I am using Azure Storage Service. The basic use case scenario is when you want to use a cloud-hosted or cloud-based storage solution and backup solution. These are two different solutions. One where you store the information that users are trying to access, and the other solution is where you are trying to dump the information to access the resources from once your data center is down. Apart from this, since this is a cloud-based storage solution, you can easily replicate the data in as many regions as you want. And even the entire data can be copied to a different end of the globe in itself. And most of the times, Azure Storage Queue service is used to handle bulk messages from the connected devices, such as the IoT devices that we just saw in the previous sections while we were trying to capture the messages in Azure Functions. Another major use case of Azure Storage Service is that I use Azure Storage as a backend for my own web application that I run and host my tutorials on. I am using Azure Storage for the storage services, and most of the benefits that I get include the data replication, so that anytime the primary data center goes down, I can always access the resources, and my users or the readers can access the resources such as the images or other media that I have posted on the tutorials. I can use CDN and definitely increase the throughput or the connectivity of the services for the users. And once again, replicate the information using the content delivery networks. And not just that, I also manage the backup of my web application using Azure Storage Service. Azure Storage Service can store the backup of your own application at a specific time so that you can revert your current state to a specific state later on as well. So this is one of the most important features of Azure Storage Service. If I head over to Azure portal and open up my own app service, the Afzal Ahmed Zishan app service, and go to the backups blade, you can see that the backup has been configured and has been scheduled to start ever since Friday on 8th September 2017. And the backup has been continuing to process, and all of the backups till today have been stored. And all the backups of my web application every day has been stored so that I can access the information that was stored in my own web application at a specific instance of time. And similarly, I can also restore my web application to a specific instance in time. And Azure Storage allows me to do so in a very cost-effective and cost-efficient manner. And you know the best part? Even this course is backed up on Azure Storage. I am storing all the screen captures as well as the audio recordings for this course on Azure Storage for my own personal backup, so that I can access the information anywhere on the globe. And I can prepare the videos anytime that I can access the resources or I have time to do so. And all of this is done at a very affordable cost once again.